All right, YouTube, listen, we back again. Today is Wednesday. You're probably gonna be watching this on a Thursday. Why is it so hard? I'm having trouble with this light. Okay, hold on, wait a minute. Give me a minute. I don't know the position of this back light. Okay. All right, we back, all right? Finna start our day. Second day, all right? I'm vlogging pretty much every day. Probably not Saturday or Sunday or Monday because I really don't work those days. But Saturday I kind of work, but it's not really worth vlogging. But yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, vlog all day. We going hard. When we come back, it's hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency, the will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going. You go. And I don't know what everybody else is doing, but it's grind time right now. All right, let go. You don't want to do nothing different? No parts, design.
You gotta learn how that.
Nothing different.
That's an animal in itself.
Same thing. I don't even know what you used to do.
Yeah, exactly.
You either? So we could do something different.
HustleDreamProduction.
You say you started getting nervous?
Yeah, I started getting nervous. I thought I was going to have to cut it myself.
You getting a fade?
Yes, sir.
Alright, listen, guys, check it out. I'm about to show you guys how I make my Instagram videos, but before I go into letting you guys know how I do it, I just want to say this though. Just because I show you how to do it, don't mean you duplicate every single detail in which I do it. I mean, come up and be creative in your own way, but just don't style for style copy what I'm about to show you, okay? Be original in this, okay? This is pretty interesting, all right? First of all, you want to make sure your lens is clean, okay? And with a little spit, you can get there.
It's not that bad, but
I'm not cheap either.
I'm too turned up. No, they're not.
They're like 60.
All right, so here it is one more time in its fullness, Instagram style. All right, Reggie.
Ready? Yeah. 360. I saw your dog video and I was laughing my ass off.
You said what?
Your dog video when you got bit as a kid.
Oh, yeah. The dog didn't deserve to die.
No. He didn't. That was funny though. He must have been big too.
Dog?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that dog was just a bull mastiff.
Oh, man, what's wrong with you? Oh, no, it's perfect, man. Thank you. Definitely. Oh, man. New person. I don't know where we're at, James.
Did we cancel you?
But the last time I paid for this one, I don't know how much I paid. But the last one we canceled. I think you piped me in. So let's just call it that, brother.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate you. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Stay blessed. Talk to Kev. I'll talk to him and I'll try 2 weeks.
Okay.
Because I know you're all booked.
Right.
I'll let those days go.
Yeah, you can always just call in and we can put you down.
That sounds good. Thanks.
All right, you guys, look, listen, some of you guys may think that I have this huge production behind me, like I have a team of people filming my stuff and I have editors. You guys are completely wrong on that note, all right? A lot of the times, most of the times, 100% of the time, okay, I'm basically doing it myself, all right? I go to work, I have to cut, I used to have to cut in 30 minutes. Now I done bumped it to 45 minutes due to the coronavirus. But I used to sit here and, you know, cut every 30 minutes. You know, I work from 9 to 6. So in that 9 to 6 frame, I was cutting in 30 minutes. And I had to film and put up the camera and really cut hair and do that all in 30 minutes. So this YouTube stuff is really a grind, man. I'll be working hard. Like even right now, I just got off work. Okay, you guys are watching the fact that I just got off work and I'm here at home in my house about to edit this thing. Okay, the grind is real. Like, but I do want to say this for anybody that got the heart to do it, anybody that wants to do this, you gotta go full blown, man. Like, even if you got a job, even if you're going to school, whatever it is that you're doing, you gotta go full blown. You gotta do that and YouTube at the same time, grinding it out. All right, there's no time to do other things. It's just really about focusing on your dream and what you want, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just grinding, putting out these videos. Listen, you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. The vlogs is daily now, all right? I'm on my grind. I cannot slow down, all right? I don't really know what is to come with this whole coronavirus. So right now, I'm like, hey, I gotta get as many haircut footage as I can. I gotta get, the grind has to continue, all right? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out, man.